Today I'm comparing the effectiveness of the manual Shiatsu neck massager versus 2 tennis balls for the purpose of releasing tension in the suboccipital region of the neck. The manual Shiatsu massager costs $16.99 before tax, and I bought 3 tennis balls for $2.50. I found out the hard way that the manual Shiatsu neck massager only targets the suboccipital region. When I look at the design of the massager and the 2 little balls attached to it, I decided that I want to find out if 2 tennis balls could do the same job. To give credit where it's due, I did not come up with this idea myself. I did see this tennis ball contraption in the clinic I worked at a while ago. The manual Shiatsu neck massager massages the suboccipital region and pinching the skin on top of the region together. The 2 massage balls squeeze the skin between them. By squeezing and releasing the skin, it creates increased blood flow under the skin. This device doesn't put direct pressure onto the suboccipital region because of the limitation of the design. If you move the massage balls farther into the neck, it starts to put pressure on the spine, the nerves, and the blood vessels. Also, you have to repetitively move the handles in the massager to produce an effect of increased blood flow, which takes time and effort. I took 2 tennis balls and duct taped them together side by side. I then lay down on the floor and put the contraption behind my neck, under the suboccipital region. I position the device so it doesn't slide, and then I just lie down and relax. The weight of the head provides ample pressure for the suboccipital region. On the other hand, the tennis ball is comfortable enough that it is not uncomfortable when positioned correctly. The only limitation of the device is that you can only use it lying down on the floor. In conclusion, if you can lie down on the floor, the tennis ball gives you a better result. However, if you're unable to lie down on the floor, you may prefer the manual Shiatsu massager or another neck massager that you can use while seated. And if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.